Introducing a new revolutionary cream that merges science and nature to help you revive your eyes. The Alavida Revive Eye Cream, where timeless beauty meets the power of nature. Unveil the secret to a vibrant and youthful appearance. Unleash the power of Alavida Revive Eye Cream.
Alavida, nature and science in perfect harmony. With key ingredients like microalgae oil, rice bran oil, milk peptides, moringa butter, and vitamin C. Working together with our patented proprietary technology, Alavida contains no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic or artificial fragrances, ureas, artificial colors, or dyes, including a significant improvement in hydration, regeneration of radiance, firmness, and overall appearance. Alavida, a beautiful merging of nature and science.